Hey there, did you know that ذلك الكلام الذي ذكره في القرآن ما يلفظ من قول إلا لديه رقيب عتيد والذين هم عن اللغو معرضون وفي الحديث من كان يؤمن بالله واليوم الآخر فليقل خيرا أو ليصمت وبعد من صمت نجا. Think about it. If you want to peace, keep quiet and speak less and enjoy the peace. If you talk too much, you will say unnecessary things, and that unnecessary words create misunderstanding and that destroy relationship. So we should listen more and try to understand the situation, and we must stay calm and keep the situation peaceful. For this, you need to learn self control. If you control yourself, you can control any situation. That's why always remember that the more you practice, the more you learn. Thank you very much.